Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Well, altcoins are definitely interesting today, whereas Bitcoin isn't really doing much, to be honest. So it's just a quick, evening update already. Bitcoin continues to be in this triangle. I highlighted to you, Saturday it might be that we are going to see a boring Bitcoin weekend, but to be honest, the altcoins are performing quite well. In the first video earlier today, I highlighted to you the Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin dominance, and that is dropping. In the last member live stream last Sunday, we talked about a potentially upcoming altcoin season that might really be around the corner. We're not there yet, but certainly the altcoins have started to outperform. The larger trend on Bitcoin dominance is still up, so it takes a bit more to confirm it. But yeah, if you're interested in checking out our altcoin season live stream, feel free to check out the membership, and you can watch all the recordings of previous live streams, especially that one from last week. Looking at the short-term price action, let's talk about first a short-term bullish scenario and a short-term bearish one, and which levels need to break or hold for each. Well, first of all, you need to understand that the base case is still bullish. The base case is that the price is currently in a wave 4 correction. So on this time frame, the idea is we're in a wave 4 correction. Main support, so the next significant support level, is at around $34,070. And the base case is that we are, as long as we're holding that level, going higher in a fifth wave after the wave 4 is finished, which is not yet the case, and reach like $50,000 plus. That's the base case. And then within this scenario, on this time frame, there are two main scenarios, one bearish, one bullish. In the short-term bullish scenario that you actually see that on the chart right now, we are extending the B wave correction. So what we wanted to see from the beginning on when this correction started, we wanted to see obviously an A wave down. That hit our support area there and found support around $40,300. We've then seen over the days, well, throughout the week basically, we've seen this three-wave rally into the highs of Thursday highs around $43,470. It was only a three-wave rally, so very corrective. So it's very much possible that this was already all of wave B, but that would be the short-term bearish case. In the short-term bullish one, this was only the first wave in the B wave, basically a wave W, which consists of an ABC structure. Then we had here an X wave, and now we are in an ABC structure to the upside, and that could form the Y wave. And with a WXY pattern, the B wave can extend. Key resistance or even upside target level would be around $44,710, but it can use the complete resistance area up there, possibly even all the way up to $46,520 if it really wants to in this B wave. But the bottom line is that even then, as long as the rally is only in three waves, we would look for a pullback in wave C of 4. Now that's the short-term bullish scenario. Condition for this level is, or for this scenario actually is, that the $41,450 level is holding. Okay, the X wave could possibly reset a little lower if it needs to, but that would be the first key level that actually needs to hold. And if we climb higher from here, we want to see that trend line break, and we wanted to take out the wave W high at 43,450. And then we are likely moving up to the levels specified. In the short-term bearish scenario, let me just take that out. In the short-term bearish scenario, we are already in wave C to the downside. But to be honest, I have still not seen any 5-wave pattern to the downside. So there are different ways, again, how this could unfold. For example, it's entirely possible that this was the A wave and we're now forming some kind of a B wave triangle, which would then break down. B waves can be triangles, so there is the possibility of an internal triangle here, which will then break down and could send us directly from here without making new highs into the support area. And obviously, in contrast to the other scenario, to confirm this further, we would like to see a break below the ascending trend line, the lower boundary line of this triangle pattern. And that would be further confirmed with a break below the X wave low at $41,400, and then taking out this A wave low that was made on the 11th of December on Monday at $40,180. These are the two scenarios. The market certainly hasn't made up its mind yet. The market is in what we call, triangle pattern. If it's an Elliott Wave triangle or not is a completely different question. But you see that the market is just consolidating. We see a lot of up and down without clear direction. That's very much characteristic of a triangle, at least structurally, or at least of a correction itself. So we are probably in this kind of correction at the moment, and this type of correction means that the market hasn't made up its mind yet. So no clear trend on this time frame, and therefore you get a lot of up and down. And we have to be patient, basically. I just mentioned to you the two different possibilities, or key highly likely scenarios actually in this current correction. But in both, I would like to see a C wave down into the pullback zone. Is that pullback guaranteed? No, of course not. Corrections can be very shallow in the crypto market, especially in a bullish market environment in which we are. But we always have to align ourselves with probabilities. That's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.